Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? I am Zuhaib and you're watching Zebi Association YouTube channel. So viewers, in this video we'll discuss lab number 7 of water supply and waste management. In this video we will discuss measurement of temperatures. How we measured temperatures of climate. Let's start our today lecture. First of all, purpose. The objective of this lab is to familiarize with some of the various types of temperature sensor in current use, to calibrate them and hence to recognize the relationship between data quality and instrument calibrations, and to evaluate the impact of ventilations and time response on temperature measurement. In this lab also calibrate the device temperature sensors for the weather stations. First of all, what's the apparatus you use in this experiment? First, HE mercury thermometers. The second, regular HE or alcohol thermometers. And third, Davis weather stations. And fourth apparatus is thermocouple bed thermistors or platinum resistance thermometers, wind tunnels, stopwatch, ice, and electric kettles, waters, paper towels. After this, related theory. Atmospheric temperature. What is atmospheric temperatures? Thermodynamic temperatures is defined as one of the 7 quantities: length, mass times electric current. Thermodynamic temperatures amount of the substance and luminous intensity in the international system of unit. The definitions of unit is described in below. The Kelvin units of thermodynamic temperature is the fractions 1 divided by 273.16 of the thermodynamic temperatures of triples point of waters. And then temperature difference can be expressed in both Kelvin and Celsius. Relations is of temperatures in degrees Celsius and thermodynamic temperatures in the Kelvin. Degree Celsius is commonly used in meteorological observations. T divided by temperature C is equal to T divided by K minus 273.15. This is graph between pressures and temperatures. Principle of instruments. These many types of thermometers. The major one imply the characteristics of expansions and contractions of substance according to temperature. Imply the valuables of electric characteristics, electrical resistance or substance according to temperatures, or imply characteristics between the temperatures and heat, radiations, energy emitted from surface of substance. Air temperatures continuously fluctuates within a range of 1 to 2 degrees centigrade over individual periods of several seconds. WMO advised that the best representative value of air temperature is the average taken over on minutes periods, meaning that the numbers of readings should be made of a thermometers with a very small time constant to a large long is response to temperatures. Variations will cause error. The time constant of thermometers varies inversely with the square roots of wind speed. WMO recommends that the time constant be 30. The first step, start with zero ventilations, fan or wind tunnels is off. Heat the thermometer device to our temperatures far above ambient using their field with hot water, then quickly dry and insert it into wind tunnels for constant ventilation rates. And then on group members should be operating stopwatch and indicating time intervals at which another group member read off the temperature value. A third group member is responsible for temperature readings should according the value and time elapsed since insertions into the wind tunnels record point at least every 5 to 10 seconds. A repeat step to or force for at least 3 different non-zero ventilation rates between 0 to 1 meter per second, and or trial at ventilation rate by adjusting the fan speed via the viral dial and use the needle gauge anemometers on the opposite end of wind tunnels together with a stopwatch to determine the actual ventilation rate. After this, be sure to account for any initial offset in the needles and simply divide the feet traveled need reachings by the time 40 feet in 10 seconds would be wind speed of 4 feet per second, which should then be converted into SI units of meter per second. After this, make sure you always have a measure of ambient temperatures for each response measurement. So viewers, tell me how's this video. If you have any ambiguities, please comment me. Inshallah, I will answer your questions. And if someone who have not subscribed my channels, please subscribe my channels and click bell icon. Thanks for watching.